Hey guys, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, if you haven't, please check out my Patreon if you ever get the chance. Okay, enjoy the video.
And that is how to say the helpless kitty from a tree. Easy, 1, 2, 3.
Hey, that's great, Ruby. Thank you. Excuse me, Ruby. I have to go to the bathroom. I'll be right back. Hey, we need to talk. Why do I suddenly like girls?
I believe that is what we call puberty.
No, not like that. Look, I did a lot of thinking on this, and I know I didn't like girls before all this started happening.
Well, I suppose I did have a thing for Salem.
Oh no. Oh no, no, fuck no. You are not making me heterosexual of all things.
Excuse me? I take quite offense to that. I am shocked and dismayed that you would accuse me of such a thing. Clearly, you are inheriting my pansexuality.
Are you serious right now?
Oh, I'm very serious.
Epilogue.
Some pal you are, man. You played me for a patsy.
Ross knew nothing of your elastic shorts, leisure delights.
Say what? Didn't you tell Bobby Blabby that you want to bulldoze my house to build a rest home for your nana?
What barbarian would allow their nana to rest? Time for Rolf to introduce this Bobby Blabby to Roman